lights go down, you'll see the engineers, how they're looking out of the door, and then you'll see the two other week twos. Discipline and the precision. Soloist is of course flying in the dark aeroplane, the black aeroplane, that's Ellis Levine. The three ships in their beautiful little pit specials, they go out to the left, and now we watch Ellis Levine as the soloist in the team.
And the flight control right.
Up we go. This is pretty awesome because he just lets it fall. And he's going to fall through his own smoke. He's dropping like a leaf. Unreal because let's put him live.
Well, that's how to do this car.
Lines it up nicely, picks up the line, turns it out. Oh, this is sore. This is negative G. Oh, that body's working hard, pushing it hard. Really negative G there. Falcon number 3, Major Marule. Interesting that all our pilots' surnames start with M. It's the Flying M's. 5 of them, 6 of them. And then I spoiled it with an E, but I got an M at number 2. Turns now on the left-hand side as we face the runway. At around 7,500 foot, length of 13 meters, height of 3.85 meters, takeoff weight 3,350 kilograms, and a useful load of 1,605 kilograms. Accelerating now. Pulls it up nicely, lets it go right to the top, stops right at his speed, flicks it over, and that is absolutely awesome. Dives down now, flight engineer will have a nice smile on his eyes, but he'll also be keeping a watch watchful eye on things and present, making sure that every